Your iPhone is extremely powerful, but after updating to iOS 26, many people notice lag, slow animations, and delayed app opening. The good news is, your iPhone is not weak, it's just using the wrong settings. In this video, I'll show you real iOS 26 tweaks that instantly improve speed, smoothness, and overall performance. No apps. No data loss. No risky tricks. And make sure you watch till the end, because the final setting gives the biggest speed boost. Most people think closing apps makes the iPhone faster. That's actually a myth. The real problem is apps running silently in the background. Go to Settings, then General, then Background App Refresh. Tap it again and choose Wi-Fi or turn it off completely. When apps stop refreshing in the background, your RAM and CPU are freed instantly. You'll notice smoother scrolling and faster app switching right away. Now let's fix the animations. iOS 26 looks beautiful, but those animations slow your phone down. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion. This shortens animations and removes unnecessary effects. Apps open quicker, transitions feel faster, and your iPhone becomes more responsive immediately. Another hidden performance killer is transparency. Go back to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Turn on Reduce Transparency. This reduces GPU load, especially in Control Center and menus. On older iPhones, this change alone makes the phone feel much faster. Now let me show you a hidden trick Apple never explains properly. This clears your iPhone's RAM without restarting. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch. Enable Assistive Touch. Now press and hold the power button until the slide to power off screen appears. Release the power button, then tap and hold the home option using Assistive Touch. The screen will flash slightly. That means RAM is cleared. After this, apps reopen faster and random lag disappears. Next, let's control location services. Your iPhone constantly checks location in the background, even when you're not using Maps. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Scroll down and open System Services. Turn off location-based alerts, location-based suggestions, and iPhone Analytics. These features don't add value but use processing power all the time. Apple also runs Analytics quietly in the background. Go to Privacy and Security, then Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics, Share iCloud Analytics, and improve Siri and dictation. Then go back, open Tracking, and turn Allow apps to request to track off. This reduces background activity and improves performance noticeably. Now let's stop automatic background tasks. Open Settings, go to App Store. Turn off app updates, automatic downloads, and video autoplay. Your iPhone will stop updating apps silently, which frees resources and improves speed. Storage plays a massive role in performance. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. If your storage is almost full, your iPhone will slow down. Delete old videos, unused apps, and duplicate photos. Also turn on Offload unused apps. Free storage means faster system response and smoother performance. Finally, notifications. Too many notifications constantly wake your phone's processor. Go to Settings, then Notifications. Turn off notifications for apps you don't really need. Less background activity equals better battery life and faster performance. After applying these iOS 26 settings, your iPhone will feel lighter, faster, and more responsive, almost like a new device. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more iOS tips, and let me know in the comments which trick made the biggest difference for you.